In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Cloudflare email. Verifying your email with Cloudflare is a quick step that helps secure your account and ensures you receive important alerts about performance, billing, and security. Before we begin, make sure you can sign into your Cloudflare account and that you have access to the inbox for the email address you used during sign up. Start by opening Cloudflare in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on your Cloudflare dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Profile. This takes you to your account details. On the profile page, find the Settings section. There you'll see the email address associated with your account. If your email isn't verified yet, you'll notice an option to send a verification link. Click the button that says Send Email Verification Link. Cloudflare will confirm that an email has been sent to your inbox. Now go to your email. Open the inbox for the address you use with Cloudflare and look for a message from Cloudflare. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then refresh your inbox. Also check your spam or junk folder, and if your email service has a promotions or updates tab, look there as well. You can search for Cloudflare to find it faster. For security, make sure the email is genuinely from Cloudflare before clicking anything. Open the message and find the button or link that says Verify your email. Click it. This will open a new tab in your browser and take you back to Cloudflare. You may be asked to sign in again. That's normal. After that, you should see a confirmation that your email has been verified. To double check, return to your Cloudflare profile page and look under Settings where your email is listed. The status should now show as verified. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the page. If the email never arrived or the link has expired, go back to your profile and click Send Email Verification Link again to request a fresh message. A few quick tips: make sure you're logged into the correct Cloudflare account if you manage more than one. Keep the verification email private and don't forward it. If you still don't receive the message, add Cloudflare to your email safe sender list and try again. That's it. You've successfully verified your Cloudflare email, which helps keep your account secure and your notifications reliable.